Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox the two most recent beauty bundles from American Influencer Awards, AIA beauty bundles. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. I post content related to speech language pathology and beauty fashion vlogs sometimes. If you are not new to my channel, then thank you so much for tuning back in. Without further ado, let's get started. AIA is the first ever bi-monthly beauty subscription boxes that feature one influencer every 2 months. There are 5 to 6 full-sized products with value over $140. Just $34 a month, you can get free shipping and all of the products featured in the box. In the month of April and May, they feature Guy Tang and his hair products, and in the month of June and July, they feature Mana Kadar beauty products, and I'm going to go over those products with you in this box. Let's go over what's in the first box. The first product in this box is a hydrating face mist. Contains minerals known for improving circulation and hydration, leaving you with that after vacation glow all year round. It smells really good. It smells like something very citrusy. Let me try. This is some sort of hydration face mist that you can apply in between makeup applications to keep your skin hydrated and moistured. The next product is a Lash Serum. Formulated with a blend of protein and peptides to help condition and strengthen lashes. First few ingredients include water, bergamot peel water, I might have butchered the pronunciation of that, lavender flower water, citrus orange fruit water, and ginseng root extract. Let me see if I can open it. The packaging is super pretty. There is a little jewel. It has a slight fragrance. Next product is the volumizing mascara in jet black. And the next product is this priming gloss stain. So it's like a lip gloss with a bit more color, a bit more long-lasting color than the traditional lip gloss. That's the color. The color is very pigmented. HD Perfecting Powder. See? Excuse my chipped nail polish right there. The last product in the box is this Uptown bronzer and blush. That is the blush. It is a warm toned pink color. The bronzer. It has a slight shimmery finish to it. In the month of August and September, they feature Purlisse and their skincare products in this box, watermelon bag. We'll see if it fits all of the skincare products in the bag that came in the box. First product that came in the box is this Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter. It smells like coffee. Let's try. It goes on very smoothly. The next product is Coconut Oil and Coffee Body Scrub. You're gonna use this coffee scrub first and then this body butter afterwards. The coffee granules are very fine. The next product is a pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk with green tea. Wow, it smells really good. It smells like watermelon candy. Pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist with green tea. It smells very fresh. Next product is a watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask. This is for purifying pores, brightening skins, and visibly firming and tightening skin. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm is a lightweight moisturizer. So let's see if all of the products fit in this bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, they all fit. Cool watermelon bag. So that is it for all of the products in the August and September AIA Beauty Bundle box. If you are interested in checking out AIA Beauty Bundle, feel free to check out the link in my description box below. My link will automatically apply 10% off on your order, so feel free to check that out. Another cool fact is that with each bundle purchase, $1 will be donated to the City of Hope Cancer Research. Thank you so much for taking the time of your day to watch my video. Feel free to comment down below what you think about these products and give me a thumbs up to help with my channel's growth. And I'll see you next time. Bye!